What's up, everybody? Welcome to Urban Crawlers. You guys clicked on this video, so you already know. We are going to be looking at the INJORA plus 4mm extended aluminum front and rear compatible complete. So I have the axles, the INJORA axles. So I wanted to take a couple of pictures of these, but I wanted to do this video, basically what's inside. All right, so let's do the rear first, see what comes with this one. So it's simple to open up the box. And then you get the axle comes in this nice little plastic. It's sealed on both ends. There's another piece of plastic inside with some hardware in there, as you can see. And then we have actually the axle assembly itself. So let's cut this open so we can see what's inside. So like I said, we have the axle assembly. So this is the axle itself. Fully assembled. Well, it's missing a bolt on this side. We have the bolt on this side. Full bearings. Looks like it comes with. Very, very smooth. We're going to crack this puppy open and see if it has any gear oil and everything. Alright. So if you guys don't like this series and it starts to fail, I'll just cancel it. But I figured it was a good thing for people who are doing some custom builds, so they can see what is actually in the packaging and everything. Alright, so the other bolt is right here. It was in the packaging. It just must have come off from vibration or being tossed around. So that's that right there. Let's put this to the side. So what do we get in the actual bag full of goodies? Let's dump it out and find out. All right, so it looks to be that we get 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, sorry. 2 flat washers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, let that focus in. We get 4 pins, and we get 2 hex adapters, and these are going to be brass. It looks like they are. Let's take a look at this thing really good. Yeah, I believe that's a brass adapter. Alright, so you get 2 brass adapters. So that's what comes with the rear assembly. Let me put this away to the side and bust out the other one. Alright, so now we got the front axle. This is going to be also in black. So we'll just open this up. Set it to the side. So again, looks like we have a full assembly, and we have the axle fully assembled, and then the actual baggie there. Stick with me. I am gonna pop one open to see if it has grease, if they come greased up or not. So we're gonna pop that open, get that over to the side, and again, very, very, very smooth. The build quality is awesome. I'm really liking these. Full bearing kit. So if you order these, you're getting full bearings with their kit. Whichever one you get, because you can order them both or you can order them separately. So if you want a front axle 4mm wide, you can get that. Which is kind of cool because I have a project that I want to do, and I want to order a 4mm wide front axle and a standard rear axle. So that way you guys could pause the video. Alright, so these are all the components we get. We get a series of screws we got there. We got some black rubber bushings. We have some pins. These look like the actual steering links. Not the steering links. I'm sorry. It's a steering setup. And I just looked in the box. Good thing I looked in the box. Look what I just found. I was freaking out that it didn't come with this. So I have the steering set. So this is the steering arm. Woo. I was nervous. I was wondering. I was like, why does it come with these? So I got the steering right here. I'll just show the steering. The build quality is crazy. Alright. In other videos, I will do the videos. Like I said, if these videos do good, I will do some weight tests to show you how much these weigh and everything. So I hope you guys get a picture of the hardware. And there we go. All 4 are out. So just remove these 4 bolts. And then together we're gonna find out if they grease this. Oh yes. Oh yes, we have a beautiful amount of grease. Hope you guys can see that as well as I can. Beautiful amount of grease. We have the oh, I'm spinning the nut on the back end. Beautiful amount of grease. We have the gears that Injora has those awesome gear set. So it looks good, right? So this will be connecting like that. So if I hold it right over it and line it up, you guys can see how much bigger it is. All right. So it's basically on your truck where your hex adapters come out. That's where the axle is going to stop. So that's your +4 millimeter. I know it's a little difficult to see. Black is hard to make it stand out on the cameras and everything like that. So if you're interested, and this is the one that you're looking to get, I'm gonna eventually get this one, and I'll do a what's in the box with this one as well. Keep a lookout and subscribe if you guys want to, because I'm gonna be doing a build with this bad boy if the sticker stays down. So I'm gonna be doing a crazy build with this. My name is Hugo. Thank you guys for watching. Later.